Hi everybody, Melissa here. A couple weeks ago I got a message on Instagram from a subscriber by the name of Kayla Strozina. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. Please let me know if I'm not. But she wanted me to test out a brand that she'd seen on Instagram. She wanted me to order some powders and give a review for them. So I looked at the website. The name of the brand is Pampered Pretties. I think I had seen them around before, but there are so many different brands and a lot of them kind of get jumbled together for me. But I went and looked at their website and I was very excited to see that they had a 4-piece mystery pack for 1/4 ounce colors. So they would pick out the colors and just send me randoms. So I was really excited to try it out. I checked out instantly and let her know that I had them on the way. I just got them today. So I've not even opened the shipping bag. I'm very excited to open it up. We'll see how they package their product, what kind of colors they have, and try and get an idea for this company. So I'm just gonna open the bag. It's one of those pretty easy ones that have kind of a zip tie, and pull out the goodies. Okay, there's the shipping packet, shipping info. Okay, very cute little thank you sticker. Everything is packaged up really nicely in bubble wrap. Okay, that's everything. I've got a card. Here's all the information on how to contact the brand. Okay. And let's see what we have. And I have swatch sticks here, and I'll actually swatch these to try and get a better feel for the colors. Let me just open this up. From here I can see it looks like some kind of opally, flaky white. That looks really pretty. Can't really tell what that is. A blue, opalescent, or iridescent kind of glitter, some kind of pink. I like lighter pinks. I can deal with this. I'm not typically a brighter pink kind of person, so, but I'm excited. All right. So these are called Slushy is the pink one. Electric is the blue. Oh, looks like there's tinsel in there too. Cool. Embezzled is the white one. I'm just gonna give all these a shake. And then this one doesn't have a name on it, so I'm assuming it said that there could be like tester colors or unreleased colors, so I'm assuming that's what we have here. Let me just scooch in and get comfy, and we will take a look at each one of these in powder form individually. So Slushy, I like the consistency of these. Looks like a pink. It's not focusing. Focus, focus, focus. Very light pink. Electric. Ooh, I've got cuticle oil in my hands. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that. You can really see the different sparkles in it when it's blurred. But it has some tinsel in there. Kind of looks kind of hollow, almost. Hollow or iridescent. Not sure. Try to get that to focus. There we go. The no name one. Let's see what you are. Okay, so I'm really interested to see how this one swatches. Looks like some greens and purples. They're definitely my color palette there. And then this one Embezzled, which is the white. Ooh, flakies. Yes, this looks pretty. This looks like it's gonna be really opaly. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch here. Start with Slushy. I'm using my double dip liquids for the swatching. This is the quick dry base. Okay, that applied really nice. It looks as though it's almost a pearl pigment in the base, which always gives such a smooth finish, a nice opaque finish, and I love that. This is just one coat. I'm gonna do one more. Brush off the excess. Makes me wonder if this could be chromed. Probably. I wonder if it would have like a pink pearl look. Okay, it's really nice coverage with 2 dips. And it's really smooth and I like that. It's very pretty. Pretty pink. Brush off the excess here and we'll start swatching the next one. I'll top coat all of them together just to save time. Electric. I like that it's not a chunky, it's smaller than a medium glitter. I find I'm not a huge fan of chunky glitters, really, except for occasionally. I rarely use them, so. Okay. This is a lot, this dip is a lot of fun. Okay. Won't focus on you. Here we go. That's very pretty. And I didn't even flatten, I didn't even press down on the glitter, and you can see it doesn't stick up much. It lays down pretty flat on application, which is good. I'm gonna do second coat and we'll see what kind of coverage we get with that. Brush. I'll probably do a clear coat on this too. Well, maybe not. It actually is pretty flat. I'm not sure I'll need one, but. You notice I'm already covered in some dip powder today. I've been playing with some nail art designs, so I cannot wait to top coat this one. I have a feeling this sparkle is just gonna explode. All right, I'm not gonna do it clear because it lays really flat. I'm not sure it really needs it. Of course, if you're gonna buff it or something, then you will, but for a swatch, I don't think it's necessary. Next, we have our unnamed, possibly unreleased, I don't know, tester dip. Okay. Yeah, very pretty. Looks like some greens, purples. I can't really tell what else because clear powder always kind of changes the look, but it's very pretty. Just gonna top off excess and do a second dip. This, I can say that these dips, they have a really good amount of glitter in them. The glitter to clear ratio is very good to where you can get coverage in 2 dips, which is what I look for in glitters. And now I'm covered in glitter, just the way I love to be. Look at that sparkle though, isn't that pretty? Love that. Okay. Leave that here and go for the final one, which I think is the one I'm the most excited about because these opaly flakes look so pretty. I'm never gonna get this glitter off if you guys know the struggle. Okay. Embezzled. You can see the different kind of opaly colors in there. That's really pretty. But Let's see how it translates to the swatch. Fluffy. Okay, I see you. Alright, so this has, it appears to be a good mixture of flakies and looks like some iridescent micro glitters in it. Maybe some shimmer. Oh no, the dip itself is super fluffy. And golly, that's beautiful. It's let's do a second coat and see. That's really good coverage for one coat too. This would be great as a topper, honestly. This would be a beautiful topper. There's a bit of fire in there too. Kind of like fire opal-y effect going on. No, it's very, actually, it's very dense. Yeah. I don't know. The texture of the powder is different, but it's going on really well. So. And there's 2 dips of this one. So I'm going to close all these up. Wipe off the excess from all these, make sure that they're good and wiped. I'm going to activate and top coat all 3, and then that's when you get to see the real fun. This is really pretty. Okay. Let's activate now. Okay. Now, there we go. The pink. And it has a great, just kind of a light pink, slightly pearlescent, satin kind of finish. It's very pretty. And it was very easy to swatch. So, next we have our blue, you can see, with the different kind of hollow iridescent glitters, and we have a really pretty tinsel in there also. And here's our finish. Look on that one. Turn the flash on. So you can see all that extra sparkle. This one. That's so sparkly. See, there's more than just, there are different, so many different colors in this one. It's beautiful, it reminds me of a painting. So much sparkle, and this would go with so many different things. Okay, and finally our kind of opalescent, flaky glitter shimmer. God, so shiny. All right. And there's the finished product of this one. I think that this is my favorite. This is absolutely gorgeous. This one is called Embezzled. In case you want to look for it on their website, we have this one, which didn't have a name, so I'm not quite sure. Maybe if they see this, they can let us know. I have Electric, which is our blue. with like the hollow and the tinsel, and Slushy, which is our pink kind of pearl satin finish one. And that's it. Thank you, Kayla, so much for suggesting this brand to me. I'm actually very impressed with the powders, with the glitter to powder ratio, with the mixes, the quality, and I will probably be getting some more. Just to be very clear, I bought everything that I have reviewed in this video. Nothing was given to me. This is not a paid for sponsorship or anything. I'd be happy to, if any of you have ideas of other brands that you would like me to test out, please feel free to message me on Instagram, let me know, and I'll be happy to do that. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.